Hola, mi amo es Genevieve, español Genoveva. Actually, Guillermo and I share a passion for running, so I always try to get his word on the latest marathons and such, but he's far, far better than I am. Okay, so yeah, I'm from Refined Wiki, and we're based in Malmö in Sweden. But today I'm going to tell you about how you can customize Confluence and Jira service desks with our theming apps. So our theming apps are called Refined Theme, and we have them for Confluence and Jira Service Desk. So if we look at Confluence, this is probably what most of you are familiar with. And essentially, we add theme, customization, and organization so that Confluence can look like this. In Jira Service Desk, this is probably what most of you are familiar with. So again, we add theming, customization, and organization, and your Jira Service Desk can look something like this. So now the tricky part is how we actually do this, because sometimes customizing platforms can be really tedious and very challenging. So we try to make this process simple. And I'm going to show you how. And I'm going to show you using my friend Sarah. So she works for this company called Meccano, and they're a robotics company. Very cool. They're actually not real, so don't look them up. But let's pretend they're real. Okay, and Meccano, they are using Confluence and Jira Service Desk, but they want to brand it to represent the Meccano branding. So again, we have Jira Service Desk, and let's boot up the product. So here you can see the inbuilt theme editor. And if I click play, Meccano might decide, first of all, to change the colors on the header so they match the Meccano brand colors. And then they can also upload the Meccano brand graphics, like so. And let's go ahead and save this one. And then we'll exit the editor. And here you can see the configuration that looks probably quite familiar to you again. We activate the theme, and then let's go now through to a themed customer service portal. So if I scroll down, you can see different links to customer portals, some nice quick navigation modules, and these are all things that you can easily customize on a Jira Service Desk portal. And let's say Sarah has problems with her VPN. So she gets hits from recommended links, Confluence articles, and Confluence questions. And if we actually navigate through to a Confluence article, here you see a nice Meccano-themed Confluence. Now we're back at the Help Center now on Jira Service Desk, and let's actually navigate to the HR department because Sarah is on the HR department. And here she sees very, very available her requests in a nice themed Meccano page. So that's a Jira Service Desk, a themed Jira Service Desk. Sarah is now a very happy customer, as you can see. And let's now take a look at Confluence. So in Confluence, we have the same inbuilt theme editor that I just showed you for Jira Service Desk. So you boot that up again, do the same thing. And then you end up with a nice themed Confluence. So here this is the Confluence dashboard. And what we do in our app is we allow you to organize spaces into categories. So sometimes you can have a long, long list of spaces and you have no way of organizing them. So we introduced categories, which you can see here. So HR, for example, is a category. Hiring an employee is a space. And then on an actual category, you can have a landing page as well. And here you can aggregate any important information. And in a new release of Refined Theme for Confluence, coming very soon, we've also introduced this concept called sites. So this means that Meccano can have a Confluence instance in their London office and in their Paris office. So I'll just zoom in there so you can get a look and easily switch between the sites. So here we have the London office, and here we have the Paris office. So with Refine Theme for Confluence and Jira Service Desk, you can very simply customize Confluence and very simply customize Jira Service Desk and make the customers very happy. So yes, Refine Theme is the name of the app. And please, today, you're welcome to come and chat to us, and we can give you a demo or answer any questions you might have. I can't say I'll be able to answer them in Spanish, but we can work it out. Yeah, so thank you very much.
Thank you, Jen.